the Ford Flex. Go ahead and open this up. You can see there's, it's kind of stuck down here. This is the little manual release. So if I open it, but that's as far as it goes. It's just stuck right there. It doesn't want to go beyond that. So I'm going to go ahead and undo this bolt right here. I got one of them. Undo that one so I can take the handle off and the sensor switch. Okay, so here's the handle coming out. It's just a little activated button here. And here it's the striker mechanism. So when I do this thing here, this should actuate the motor and open this, which supposedly opened the car, but you can see it's just kind of stuck. Here I have the switch connected to it, and you can see if I push this switch, it unlocks it, but this thing is still jammed shut. Seems to be the only way to get it out is through brute force or something. So here's a new one. This is a replacement one that I ordered from Ford. See, this is the release, the manual release. Should just, door closes, hits the striker. It's stuck. Motor actuates this part, and it should unlock. That's it. But it doesn't.